all birds have a built-in magnetic sensor that helps them migrate to different places safely. It seems that they are well known with quantum physics and they come congenitally. The new study in this has reported that birds have proteins in their eyes through which they act as a microscopic compass to navigate them while traveling long distances. According to the study, these proteins allow them to see the Earth's magnetic field. In two new studies, two teams of scientists detected the light-sensitive protein that helps them see and comes from electrons called spin. Atoms carry a nucleus in orbit around electrons. Each electron has a turn. The spin helps the electron produce a small bar magnet. The team conducted two new studies, one examining zebra finches and the other with European robins Erithacus Rubecula. Both studies revolve around an interesting molecule called Cry4. It is a light-sensitive protein that is normally found in the retina. If they succeed, then this would be the first time the team can demonstrate that a specific molecule helps animals detect magnetic fields.